Hello, dear Virgos, and welcome to your May 2021 tarot readings with me. If you're new to my channel, my dear Virgo, please do subscribe. Let's get started. Well, the first week is seeing a masculine energy coming to help you. This can be somebody who is very, honest, who is very generous. This is what I am seeing for you, my dear Virgos, in the first week. It can also be related to money matters also, because I am seeing that there is something regarding money matters that is happening with Virgos in the first week, and some kind of friend, a colleague, a person who is a very, very good advisor is coming here to help you. It can be a financial advisor also for those of you who are stuck in money matters. Well, for some of you who are single, I'm seeing a wonderful energy of a quick decision maker, a very loyal, honest, and a dynamic, sportive person coming your way in the very first week, my dear Virgos. You can trust this energy. This is a masculine energy I am seeing in the first week, a helping hand coming your way. And then we are going to the second week. Well, second week, my dear Virgo, I told you not to spend so much of money. When did I tell you? No, I didn't tell you. But now I'm telling you, don't spend too much of money, because otherwise you're going to get into a problem in the second week. Because in the second week, I'm seeing that Virgos are feeling a bit of a pinch here. Money, money, money. Oops. Oh, it hurts. Yeah. Because you have been spending, or you had to spend money, and you feel the need of more money in the second week. Something has gone wrong in the budget. And the second week will see you a bit worrying about money. This is what I'm seeing. And that is going to affect your morale in some way, because you need more money to do something, and that much you're not having it available. Yeah, this is what I'm seeing in the second week for you. So it's all about money, most probably something related to your job also. You were expecting some money to come in, but it hasn't come in, so you are a bit wondering how to deal with it in the second week. But third week is better for you, because things are working well over here. The third week of May is seeing that work-wise things are now moving. This is what I'm seeing over here for you, my dear Virgos. And I'm also seeing that there is a lot of movement happening over here. So this movement can be, if you're in the lockdown, still there is a movement socially, because you're networking, you are getting proper play to proper people for help of some kind. This is what I'm seeing. For some of you, you are planning some kind of immigration or travel to another country, or you just want to go and live in another country also. This is what is seen. But all in all, it's a very, very positive energy card, my dear Virgos, because it is showing that some kind of foreign help can come and help you out of a particular situation, or it can be foreign connections for your future prospects that are seen over here. And I'm also seeing that work-wise and sentimentally also things are moving pretty well. But I'm seeing over here the energies that of movement, the movement about professional things, about getting work done is seen over here, my dear Virgos. And then we go to the last week. And the last week is wonderful energy, because this is a period where you are entering into some kind of good luck time. Okay, it's going to be a good luck time for you, my dear Virgos, because here you are feeling that most probably if you were hassling with something, if you're fighting against something, then in the last week, be it your health, your profession, your sentimental life, things are getting better over here, my dear Virgos, for you in the last week. And also I'm seeing money wise, you will get lucky. You will bag the proper projects, the contracts will come in. And right now what you're going to sow in, my dear Virgo, will pay you off in the 7 coming months. Just use your wisdom. This is the wonderful energy of this last week that is telling you, just use your wisdom. Don't do anything haphazardly. Think about it, because what you're starting is going to pay you off, and it's a wonderful energy. I'm seeing the last 2 weeks is really wonderful energy. Of course, I don't see any bad energy except for the second week. but not a bad energy, but a deficiency energy, money deficiency energy. I see. But here I'm seeing for you, my dear Virgos, the last week is the period of chance that you are entering, and especially regarding money matters. This is what I'm seeing for you, my dear Virgos. So thank you for listening. Please do like, share, and comment, and I shall see you in the month of June. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye. God bless. Bye.